guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well and keeping cool during this hot summer. I'm back with a new wig video. So I went ahead and I picked up this wig on Amazon, and it does come from Unice. If you guys check the info section below, I will have all the details and links provided there. So here is the wig that I picked up this time. This is their 24-inch 13x4 lace front wig. This wig is 150% density. It does have that 13x4-inch lace, and it does come with the removable adjustable strap, as well as this wig is in that curly beautiful texture. It has a pre-plucked hairline and also the baby hair. Now usually I like to bleach my knots, but I just decided to just go ahead and shampoo and condition this wig. Now I was in the process of moving, so everything was like packed up. I'm trying to like use up the last of my product, so that's the reason why I added a little bit of water to my conditioner and just dumped it on there because it's done. I have no more left, but I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash this unit, and upon brushing out the unit, I did get quite a bit of shedded hairs, but do keep that in mind that this hair is curly. With curlier textures, you are going to get some loose strands of hair, so don't be too alarmed. Now if your shedding continues, then you can be alarmed, but for the most part, I've been doing this for years, and this is pretty much like the standard that's going to happen with kinky curlier textures. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this wig styled up. I decided to wear this wig in a side part, and I'm going to go ahead and just smooth and brush everything back. You can go in and take out some more hair around the perimeter. However, this wig is already pre-plucked, so no additional work needs to be done there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wig nicely styled up. Then you guys are going to see me go in and redefine these gorgeous curls. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So this is actually like maybe 3 or 4 days later. The wig is completely dry, but I did develop quite of a cast on the curls just based on the mousse that I use. But if you just kind of run your fingertips through the hair, it'll nicely soften up. You don't have to worry about that crunchy feeling. But now I'm going to go ahead and just trim back my lace. Now the lace on this wig never really blends in with my skin tone, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of like do this whole foundation tint. I just like to use a foundation that's about 1 shade deeper than my skin tone. This is like my summer foundation shade, and I apply that all over the lace, and it gets a nice even melt. Now I'm going to go ahead and adjust the adjustable band just to where I can get a nice custom fit, even though I will be using some glue to adhere this wig down. If you choose not to, the strap is what's going to give you a nice custom fit, so therefore you don't have to worry about your wig flying off or anything like that. So now I'm going to cut down my baby hairs just to where we can get that nicely laid down, and I'm using my Melt Me Down spray by Cafoon, which can be found on Amazon, and I'll link everything that I'm using throughout this video in the info section below. But I'm going to go ahead and just apply that all around the perimeter so I can get this wig nicely melted down. See my baby, I'm waiting, I want you some more. Earned it so perfect, you're worth it, what I'm searching for. I get so caught up when I'm in your presence. Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like now. I am so in love with these curls. They're just so fluffy and bouncy, and they'll definitely get bigger the more that you manipulate this hair. So you got to be careful, especially if you aren't a huge fan of big hair, but I love it. And you guys, I definitely will be revisiting this wig come this fall, bet, because it's too hot right now, but come this fall, this is going to be my go-to wig. This is how I did the baby hairs. You guys notice that the lace is still a smidget too light. I definitely need to get a darker foundation shade, because I think that I'm kind of like matching my summer shade right now. Now I want to give you guys a couple of different little styles. Now I just love how big this hair is, but I kind of wanted it off of my neck just to kind of be able to let my, my neck breathe while I'm wearing this wig. So I have this little claw clip, and I just decided to pin it up, kind of giving it like an effortless style, if you will. And this is what it's looking like. And for the next style, I wanted something to be equally as easy, however it looked more suitable for like work or going out. So I just decided to keep that same little swoop over look that's on the side of my face, but I just put this in a low ponytail. You can definitely braid it or make it into like one of those little twisty buns, whichever you choose. However, it still looks cute and summer ready. So once again, this wig does come from Unice. You can find them on Amazon. If you guys are interested in this wig, be sure to use my discount code, which is UNICEWIG, to save some cash. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.